In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the insert new line shortcut in Base44 in just a few quick steps. If you want to customize your workflow and make the shortcut fit the way you like to work, this is the easiest way to do it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Base44 and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From there, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand navigation bar, find Preferences, and click it. This is where Base44 keeps a lot of the app behavior options, including shortcut settings. Now scroll or look for the section labeled Insert New Line Shortcut. Under that section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to view the available shortcut options. After the menu opens, simply select the option you prefer. As soon as you choose it, Base44 will apply the new shortcut setting to your account. That means your insert new line behavior will now match the preference you selected. And that's it. You've now changed the insert new line shortcut in Base44. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your workflow feels. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Base44 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.